Hello children, in today's module we will learn about addition. Children, do you know addition has one more name, a short name. We can call it add also. We have another name for addition which is add. And what is the meaning of this add or addition? Let's understand it with the help of pictures first. See children, there are some number of ice creams on the screen, that is 24 ice creams. You can see number and another picture having turtles. How many number of turtles? 13. Children, if I asked you, tell me the number of pictures all together you can see on the screen. That means आपको सारी कितनी पिक्चर्स दिख रही है, आइसक्रीम्स as well as turtles. So what will you do children? You will start counting 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and like this. After 24 you will count 13 more. That means after counting 13 more, answer will be 37. It means we have 37 pictures all together on the screen. So children, what we did over here, we have added the number of ice creams with the number of turtles. This is called addition. From here we came to know that addition is putting two or more than two together and counting them all. दो या दो से ज़्यादा नंबर्स को या चीज़ों को एक साथ रखकर काउंटिंग करना. Remember children, there are some important points which you have to keep in mind while you are doing addition. First of all, you should know the sign of addition. The sign of addition is plus. And you can see it on the screen how you can draw plus sign. Next thing which you have to keep in mind, the result और the answer of addition is called sum. क्या मतलब है इसका कि जब हम दो या दो से ज़्यादा नंबर्स को प्लस करते हैं और जो हमारा आंसर आता है उस आंसर को हम आंसर नहीं बोलेंगे, उसको हम बोलते हैं सम. एडिशन व्हेन वी डू, सो आंसर इज सम. यू कैन सी वन एग्जाम्पल ओवर हेयर. 3 + 4 = 7. 3 and 4 को जब हमने प्लस किया तो हमारा आंसर आया 7. सो चिल्ड्रन, दिस 7 इज कॉल्ड एज सम. ये 7 जो हमारा आंसर आया, ये क्या, इसको हम क्या बोलेंगे? सम. इफ द ऑर्डर ऑफ नंबर गेट्स चेंज, द सम विल रिमेन सेम. अब इसका क्या मतलब है कि ऑर्डर ऑफ नंबर अगर हमारा चेंज होता है तो सम जो है सेम रहता है. Let's understand it with the help of an example. 3 + 4 = 7. When we added 3 with 4, 3 और 4 को प्लस किया, सो हमारा आंसर आया 7. If हम 3 को पहले ना लिखकर 4 को पहले लिख देते हैं, we change the order or you can say the place of numbers. 3 + 4 7 था, अगर हम 4 + 3 करते हैं, then also our answer will be same, that is 7. So from here we came to know that ऑर्डर चेंज करने से हमारे सम पर कोई इफ़ेक्ट नहीं पड़ता. इन एडिशन में हम ऑर्डर नंबर्स को, वी कैन टेक एनी नंबर फर्स्ट एंड ऐड द नेक्स्ट वन विद इट. द आंसर, द सम विल रिमेन सेम. Next children, if you add 0 with any number, the answer will be the number only, the same number. Let's see one example. 3 + 0. 3 के साथ अगर हमने 0 को ऐड किया तो आंसर, दैट मीन्स जो हमारा सम आएगा, what will be our sum? 3. Like this we can take some more examples over here, like 7 + 0 = 7. 10 + 0 = 10, 12 + 0 = 12, and many more examples we can have like this. That means 0 अगर किसी भी नंबर के साथ हम ऐड करते हैं तो our sum will be the number, because 0 is nothing. Let's understand the terms which are used in addition. Children, you all must have seen these words in your word problems. Whenever you do your word problems, you generally come across these words: in all, altogether, total, sum. So, the meaning of all these words together is एडिशन. इन सब वर्ड्स का क्या मतलब है? एडिशन. जब भी आप अपनी वर्ड प्रॉब्लम में ये वर्ड्स कहीं पर देखते हो, दैट मीन्स आपको बाय दीज वर्ड्स ओनली यू केम टू नो कि क्वेश्चन में आपको क्या करना है. यू हैव टू ऐड इन ऑल. If there is in all in your question, that means you have to add if all together, if total or if sum. So आपको क्या करना है उस क्वेश्चन में? You have to perform addition. We have some methods over here, children. First is number line method, column method with 2-digit and 3-digit numbers without carry, and column method again with 2 and 3 digits with carry, and lastly we have our break apart in one sentence. Today we will learn number line method and break apart in one sentence. Addition can be done on number line. Children, we can perform addition of small numbers of single units easily on number line. See an example over here. 3 plus 4. 3 plus 4 is equals to 7. How we can do this question of addition on number line? Children, what you have to do, you can take either of the number first in addition. As we have learned few minutes back कि in addition we can take any of the number first. It doesn't matters which number we are taking, our answer will be, our sum will remain same. So you can take 3 or you can take 4. I am taking 3 over here. Firstly, I am taking 3. 3 में how much we have to add? 4. So first of all, on your number line, plot your numbers like this. From 0 to 10 is enough, I think so, because our number is not so big. So I have plotted from 0 to 10. Now what you will do? First of all, as I have taken 3, from 0 make a big jump to 3. क्या करना है? 0 से, बिकॉज जो फर्स्ट नंबर है पहले उसको हम लेते हैं और उसके साथ वी कैन मेक अ बिग जंप फ्रॉम 0 to 3. Now how much we have to add with this 3? 4. Now you will take single units 4 times. After 3, 1, 2, 3 and 4. Single jump on of 1 unit each 4 times, because we have to add 4. So अब हम कहाँ पहुँचे? 7. That means our answer 3 plus 4 is equals to 7. This is the way we can add our numbers on number line. Let's do one example. See children, we have a number 7 plus 3, but I don't know the answer of this number. Let's find out the answer of this question on number line. First of all, I am taking 7. You can take either of the number. I am taking 7 over here. Make a big jump from 0 to 7. Now how much you have to add with this? 3. Now make single jump. Single jump means 1 unit. यहाँ पर तो हमने एक लॉन्ग जंप लगाई 0 से 7 तक फर्स्ट नंबर में. अब जो हमें नंबर उसके साथ ऐड करना है उसमें हम क्या कर सकते हैं? सिंगल जंप लगा सकते हैं. 1, 2 and 3, because 3 numbers we have to add. After taking 3 jumps, कहाँ पहुँचे हम? 10 पर. That means our answer 7 plus 3 is equals to 10. So children, like this we can add our numbers on number line. Let's move to next method of our addition, which is break apart in one sentence. What you have to do in this method, children? First of all, you have to break the numbers in one sentence. How? See the example over here on the screen. We have a number 23 which we have to add with 19. What you will do, children? 23. First break this number 23 in one sentence part. One sentence means in this 23, इस 23 में आपको वंस प्लेस पर 3 है एंड टेंस प्लेस पर 2 है. टेंस प्लेस मीन्स 2 टेंस. टेंस प्लेस पर 2 का होने का क्या मतलब है? वी हैव 2 टेंस. दैट मीन्स 2 टाइम्स हमारा 10 का ग्रुप है. वी हैव 2 ग्रुप ऑफ टेंस. दिस इज 2 टेंस एंड वंस प्लेस पर वी हैव 3. That means 3 single unit. Now you will break this 29 again in the same way in one sentence. 19. Ones place we have 9. In tens place we have 1. 1 means 110. That means only one group of 10. And 9 means 9 single units we have. After this, what you will do, children? Add the tens part with the tens one in both the numbers. दोनों numbers के जो tens वाली places पर number है, you will add them. 2 tens and 1 tens is equals to 3 tens. Now you will add the units on ones place. That means 3 ones, 9 ones is equals to 12 ones. Now see, children, our answer after adding the tens in ones place, 3 tens and 12 ones. The rule which I have taught you earlier, I think so, is here we can only have 9 units in ones place, not more than 9. Ones place can have only 9 single unit, but see we have 12 over here. यहाँ पर हमारी जो single units होती हैं वो 9 से ज़्यादा नहीं हो सकती है. This is the rule of our addition. But we have 12 over here. So what we will do over here? We will break this 12 again in ones and tens form. इस 12 को हम ones and tens form में break कर देंगे. 3 10 एंड 12 वंस को हमने ब्रेक किया तो इट कम्स आउट 3 टेंस. 12 वंस को कैसे ब्रेक करेंगे? अब यहाँ पर देखो, 12 में वंस की प्लेस में वी हैव 2 एंड टेंस की प्लेस में वी हैव 1. टेंस प्लेस 1 मीन्स 110 एंड 2 वंस मीन्स 2 सिंगल यूनिट. नाउ अगेन ऐड द टेंस प्लेस टुगेदर. 3 plus 1 is equals to 4 tens and 2 single units. Now you can simply write the number like this: 4 tens and 2 ones on according to their place values, 4 tens and 2 ones. So our answer will be like this. You can plot your numbers also. 4 tens means 4 group of tens and 2 single units.